what a real man supposed to do. I ain't have no clue to put my eyes all on you.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Deshaun,
This your girl Tiara.
back with another video. So you see what video we reacting to. So let's get to it. Right? Get straight to it.
Yes.
Bro, you guys, bro, I have to show y'all this, bro. I'm so pissed off. And that's my friend Jordan right there, you guys, bro. I'm loyal, bro. Like, y'all see this, bro? I'm telling y'all, it's done for. It's over, bro. It's over, bro. I'm gonna meet this shit, bro. You going, huh? Where you going? Okay. Okay. So you wanna drive?
Babe, no!
You know I cry for you. You know I die for you. You know I ride for you. Big dirty slide for you. Love you.
We just go.
Gonna get Nyyear with this banger.
Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram. I'll put the links in the description below. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his YouTube channel. Him and his girl got a YouTube channel. But let me tell y'all something. Your girl is looking fire today. I'm looking real nice for Nyyear's friend. And basically, we have this ring app thing, like a Ring doorbell. If you guys don't know what that is, look it up. So basically, if somebody comes to your house, you can watch from your phone. So Nyyear is gone, and basically I am going to be bringing a guy to my house. Well, he just pulled up, so you know I gotta get him real good with this. So basically we just gonna be like, you know, chatting it up. We gonna be like, you know, vibing and stuff. And I'm gonna make Nyyear really jealous. I'm gonna make him think I'm doing something, I'm cheating on him, because he not here, he not at the house. So we about to get him really good. Make sure you guys like this video if you're Team Jalyn, comment on this video if you're Team Jalyn, and subscribe to our channel if I got your boy really good. Now let's get straight into the video, because I ain't trying to let him come home and we get caught before we get into the video. Let's get it, let's go.
Bro, you guys right now, bro. I'm so, what the bro, you guys, bro. I have to show y'all this, bro. I'm so pissed off. And that's my friend Jordan right there, you guys, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, it's a snake. I said, knew he was a freaking snake. Why the fuck you touching her for, bro? Bro, why the fuck you touching my girl?
Don't even bring him because I'm so sick of him. I'm glad he's gone.
Bro, these girls ain't freaking loyal, like Chris Brown said. These girls ain't freaking loyal. You a cook for him?
Yeah, he don't cook no meals that I cook. Like, I would be like, oh, I'm cooking this, and he's like, oh, I want something else. I'm cooking, like,
bro, I can't believe this girl really gonna be talking down on me like that. Like, she really gonna be talking down on me like this? Bro, you guys, bro, I'm so pissed off, but I have to show you NJ gang, y'all. I have to show y'all this, bro. These girls ain't freaking loyal, bro. Like, y'all see this, but I'm telling y'all, it's done for. It's over, bro. It's over, bro. I'm gonna meet this shit, bro. This shit is lot, bro. I'm so freaking pissed right now, you guys, bro. Like, that is my boy Jordan, right? That ain't my boy no more, bro. That's an op now, bro. And she an op too, bro, for bringing to my house, y'all, bro. I ain't been gone more than a freaking hour, you guys, bro. I ain't been gone more than a freaking hour, y'all. I'm at the, bro. So pissed off right now, bro. I should say something on, bro, y'all. I really should talk on this bitch right now. I could talk on there, but I'm thinking if I talk on there, bro, y'all, I have to see what's going on, bro. I just have to see what the heck is this girl about to do with my... Bro, these girls is not freaking loyal. Bro. Bro, y'all don't know how this feel right now, bro. I don't think I know how y'all... Bro. All I'm doing is hurting myself by watching this right now, bro. I'm really hurting myself by watching this. So when I'm gone, this what happened when I'm gone. I'm glad I set up this Ring doorbell app at the house, bro. I'm glad I set this up. Oh, they just went inside the house. They just went inside the freaking house, bro. Bro. I can't believe this, bro. I can't believe this, y'all, bro. I can't believe this, bro. I gotta pull up. I gotta pull up to the house, bro. Y'all, I'm about to pull up to the house, bro. I have to see what what's going on, y'all. I'm pulling up to the freaking house, bro. It's freaking on, bro.
Kelly, look at your new dad. Look at your new daddy. Yeah, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna just like, you know, move into my own place and stuff.
Oh, yeah,
but
need more
just,
time for you.
Yeah, not tell him, cause like we can have more time for us and stuff. Cause I don't know.
I mean, like I said, since the quarantine, I ain't been getting to see you a little.
I know. I hate it because you know I used to be like, oh, let's go this place, cause I know you gonna be popping up there. So I just be wanting to see you and everything.
And then you didn't have no events or nothing, but yeah, I'm glad you didn't hit though.
Yeah, I'm glad I hit you up too. I thought you would ghost on me. I'm like,
when I see the message, I was like, I'm pulling up.
Pulling up. That's what's up though. Like I do miss you, and I fucks with you.
I ain't even gonna cap. I be getting a little jealous sometimes when I see y'all the way y'all look thing. I be like,
nah. See, I don't really mess with Nyyear like that. Like, I want you for real. That's why I'm trying to like, you know, slide my way away from him and just like find my own place because I want to, you know.
I feel you. I mean, that's gonna be lit though, cause I mean, you know, I can take care of you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, you can. You definitely can. Because
it's been boring with me. You know what I'm saying? Every time I'm with you, it be lit. It's gonna be
lit. I'm telling you, he don't give me massages. Like, you know, I love my hair massages. He don't give me massages. He don't cook for me. He don't do nothing. So I just, you know.
I know I gotta step up there. I definitely can get
You definitely gotta step up.
Actually, with the massage. I cook. I mean, I be cooking for, you know.
I mean, you good enough. Like, you go an extra mile for me though. Like, but nobody know that, so we can't tell.
I got you. I feel you. I mean, I'm gonna say, cause it's been some times, man. Some times where you can't do half this stuff.
Right. I don't know. You wanna go to the park?
You can.
You want water or anything?
Nah, I'm good.
You don't want
I
water?
mean, it's hot, so yeah, it looks like water.
Yeah, you can get some water. Well, I got some water for you.
Turtleneck going on. You know.
I got some water for you. Said I'll play. Or you want a Gatorade?
Gatorade cool.
It's kind of big.
Gotta stay active on that.
Gatorade, Red Bull. Say hi, Daddy.
But y'all, bro, this girl just left out the freaking house, bro. They just left out the... But she must have forgot that I got a freaking location, so I'm about to see where the fuck is you at. I really should have let her go, y'all. I should have really let her go, like, you know what I'm saying? Karma gonna come back, for sure. This some dirty... Bro, they play a dirty game, bro. Like, I can't believe that. I thought that was my guy, my friend, and I thought it was my girlfriend. Bro, he all touching on her. She laying up, man. She talking down on me, talking bad about me. I can't believe, bro. Like, look, y'all, bro. Like, I'm really salty right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really pissed off right now, y'all. Like, I've been with the girl this long, bro. Bro, y'all, it's really hard to believe, bro, that this girl really, though, really. Like, y'all have to, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, that we is done, bro. Y'all really have to see this, bro. I'm not going, bro. I'm single now, y'all. I'm single now. So if y'all watch this video, yes, I'm single now. And I'm down to mingle, bro. I'm down to freaking mingle, bro. Let me see this fucking girl. Cause I seen they walked out the freaking house. Let me see they freaking in front of the house. I'm pulling up to the house right now. I'm in front of the house right now, you guys, bro. This girl is not in front of this house. I said leave that left out, but I did not see him drive off. So I'm gonna check to see where this girl at, though. Bro, this girl, her dumb. This girl's at the freaking, she at a freaking park, right by the freaking house. Bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. Her stuff is getting thrown out today. Like, it's getting thrown out today. I'm not going, y'all. It's getting thrown out. No, it's over, y'all. It's over. Bro. Y'all have to see this. I can't wait to, I hope, man. This girl at the freaking fucking park, bro. The frick is you doing at the freaking park for? Man, she got me hot right now. Like, bro, I'm so hot right now, y'all, bro. I'm so freaking hot, man. So freaking hot, bro. I'm so freaking hot right now, bro. I'm hot, bro. Bro, I don't even see this girl, bro. Oh. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, huh? Where you going? Okay. Okay. So you want to drive up? Mm-hmm. It's on, bro. It's on, bro. It is, got it, bro. It's on. It's on, y'all. It's freaking on, bro. Y'all didn't see them skirt off, right? Y'all didn't see them skirt off. It's freaking on, bro. It's on, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Bro, I can't but believe that they just skirted off. Bro, if I would've got in front of that car, bro, they would've hit me too, bro. That's crazy. They would've fucking real life hit me. Like, y'all heard the skirts, bro. It's on, bro. I can't believe it, bro. The girl that I thought I was finna marry is really out here like, wait, y'all, the bad thing too is she not just cheating on me, she cheating on with one of my fucking friends, bro, that I thought was my friend. Bro, it's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. What the? Where you going? Why you running the house for? Where you going? Where you going? Bro, why is he skirting off for? Where is he going? Huh? But where is he going, bro? Where is he going, bro? Where's my phone at, bro? Where the phone at, bro? Where's my phone at? Where you going, bro? This girl wanna run in the house.
Babe, it's nothing.
What you mean it's nothing, bro?
It's nothing.
What's that camera for? What you mean it's nothing, bro?
It's a prank.
Nah, ain't a freaking prank, bro.
Babe,
why you scaring off then?
It's a prank.
Why you scaring off then?
That's a part of the prank.
But nah, I'm not going for that, bro. Why is he scaring off for, bro? Why is he scaring off for, bro? Nah,
Babe.
bro. Ain't no freaking prank,
It's
bro.
a prank,
Why is he scaring off for?
Babe, it's a prank.
Why is he scaring off for?
I DM'd him.
Nah, bro.
I DM'd him. I said I need you for a prank.
Nah,
Why?
bro.
What are you mad for?
I'm finna call this nigga, bro.
I DM'd him. That's your friend Jordan.
Nah, bro.
What?
Why is he skirting off then? If it's nothing, why is he skirting off though? If it's a prank, where he at? But why you scared off for, bro?
He left. That was a part of.
But what y'all was doing, bro?
Nothing.
What you mean, like, bro? So why you skirting off then,
It's
bro?
not like that, babe.
What you mean is, so where you at right now, then, bro? Pull back up, bro. Pull back up, bro. Pull back up. Pull back up, bro. Pull back up, bro. Why you skirt off then? Why you skirt off then, bro?
It's not even like that, bro. Come on.
Bro, pull back up, bro.
Babe, it's not like that. It's a prank. What are you getting? It's a prank. Babe.
Why stuff that, bro?
Don't get it. No.
Jenna, get away from me, bro.
No, it's a
Get away
prank,
from me.
babe. It's
Ain't
a
no freaking
prank.
bro.
I can
I'm
show
done with
you.
Nah, bro, I'm done, bro. That ain't no freaking prank, bro. So, if it's a prank, so why you skirting off then?
That's a part
Nah,
of
bro,
the
get your
prank.
dirt back on. Get up out of here, bro. Get your dirty stuff up out of here, bro. You little, bro. Get up out of here, bro. I'm cool on you, bro.
No, you're not. I didn't do nothing. It's a prank, babe. It's a prank.
I'm cool, bro.
It's a
Don't call
prank.
me, bro. Ain't no freaking prank, bro. I'm gone.
Babe,
I'm gone, bro.
it's a prank.
I'm gone.
Wow.
I won't even game I see this.
No,
And I see you on the freaking. Cool, bro.
babe.
Nah, I ain't gonna make nothing. I'm gone, bro.
Hey, it's a prank. It's a prank. I would never even do. Babe, look, he right here. He could tell you.
Bro, what's
What
up,
is,
bro?
babe? No, babe, stop, babe. All right, you guys. So this did not end up too well. Like, everything went crazy. I had to stop the camera because they got into a little altercation. And I need to explain to Nyyear that this was a prank, and I didn't expect it to go this far. I'm gonna show him the DMs of me DMing him saying I need him for a prank and everything, because I would never do that to Nyyear. I would never mess with any of his friends. I would never do that. Like, that's just beyond. Like, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, you guys like this video, and you are Team Jalyn, drop Team Jalyn in the comment section below, because I'm telling you, I'm coming back better and harder non-stop. So with that being said, I'm going to do post notification shout out. So post notification shout out goes to Tracy Watkins. She said, I am Team Jalyn all day, every day, no questions asked. Love you, Nyyear and Jalyn. And that is all. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta go make up some of my bae. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Got them good. She got them good. But make sure y'all like, comment, and
Subscribe.
for more uploads.